Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another HP Society episode. It has been about 2 weeks since I've seen you guys. Hopefully you guys are all having an amazing day. We have two special packages for the Z28. I'm going to show you guys what they are right now. I want to give a special thank you to MGW. Shout out to you guys. You guys are probably the best partners I've worked with on this channel so far. And Bobo's Performance, big shout out to them. MGW actually sent me a short throw shifter and paint matched it to the freaking car. Look at that. That is insane. So big shout out to MGW. I appreciate the short throw. It means a lot. Every single one of my race cars have an MGW in it. So they're just sick. And they also got the shift knob. Look at that. I don't know if that's going to focus. That focuses. Yeah. Look at that. Tell me that's not crazy. So again, big shout out to MGW. I appreciate the short throw shifter. It means a lot. You guys are the best. Shout out to George. I believe he's the owner of MGW. I hit him up and he made it work. So big shout out to him. We got the big boy. This one is actually something I told myself I was gonna do since if I ever got a 5th gen and they didn't have the 2SS headlights. Look at that, guys. Brand new Halo headlights for the Z28. This is definitely going to upgrade the look of it a lot. So I'm pretty excited to throw these on. We are still waiting on the taillights. We got like a 6th gen looking taillight. Oh, it's all good, brother. Okay. Very good. God bless you guys. Go get them, brothers. Anyways, hey, we are still waiting on some taillights for this car. I did get some 6th gen looking taillights. They're kind of one of my favorites to put on the 5th gen. People on the 5th gen been doing the C8 lights. I'm not a fan of that. I like the 6th gen lights. So we are doing those taillights on the Z28. But what's crazy is that those 6th gen taillights on this car look insane because of the wide body fenders. It's gonna look insane. And it's also like a Euro taillight, so it's like a black, it's blacked out kind of, I don't know. But we're gonna put this big box back. Also doing a carbon fiber steering wheel. We are waiting on that as well. So we got a black, I think it was black leather, perforated leather and carbon with red stitching. So pretty much every single one of my race cars have always had a carbon fiber steering wheel. They feel a lot better in your hands and they just look really cool. So. But ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be taking the Z28 today, on the back roads, and we're going to see what this thing could do. Yes, we are in Chicago, Illinois. So yes, it is a little bit chilly outside. I think it's about, I want to say 49 degrees. So the tires are going to need a little bit longer to heat up, rolling burnout or something, just to get the tires heated before we hit those corners. Because God forbid, tires are going to be cold. We're taking a corner at 80. The car's just gonna fishtail and we're fucked. So, knock on wood that doesn't happen, but I am excited. So let's roll the car out, get a nice little cold start, and let this thing warm up. We are gonna have to fill up some gas too. We pretty short on gas. Cold start. That boy is chopping. Thing sounds good, man. Once we get that Cook's headers on it and the X pipe, bro, this thing is going to be loud. That thing looks so freaking sick. Look at that. All right, guys, we're gonna put the GoPro on and we're gonna hit the road. What are we doing here with the gas? This gas shit is just ridiculous. Buy an LS7. Okay, buy an LS7. Mo, I'm gonna beat your ass. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Means a lot. The car gets a lot of compliments, honestly. It really does. And I really appreciate that about this car. People know what they're looking at. Some people might just look like a piece of shit 5th gen, but to other people, this thing's cammed Z28, baby, LR7. Woo! Mo, 169 for a full fucking tank. Fuck you, Mo. This is your doing. So we are headed towards the back roads. I am quite excited, to be honest. Like I said, I haven't taken this thing on the back roads yet, so this is gonna be This is gonna be a experience for the both of us. I did on the way here. I kind of got the tires a little bit up to par, but you know, that's the thing that I miss about my 1LE. My 1LE actually had a reader for my tire temperature, which was pretty cool. That's what I missed. I definitely missed about that 1LE, because like I said, before I took it on the back roads, I made sure, like, check the tire temps, and man, they were good. This car, I don't think has it. I mean, I'm almost positive it doesn't. No, it does not. Yep, no tire temps on this, which I get it. I mean, this car is pretty much a built race car, so I kind of understand. Any cars? Nope, we are good. All right, so let's do a couple pulls here. Woo! Woo! Fucking beast! I like that. Yeah, I like that. Oh shit, my ass. Dude, this thing's a fucking beast, bro. So honestly, compared to this, to the Coyote, it's honestly, I gotta say that this has a lot more low-end torque, and that's also because that, you know, this car does have more horsepower. Oh shit. See, like, this thing gets squirrely real quick, man. You gotta know when to let off and when to keep going, but this thing likes to get squirrely. But dude, it's like, what's weird is, like, this car just feels so planted to the ground. That's why I'm really excited to take this thing on the back roads. I just want to see what this thing can do. I mean, like I said, I've taken all my freaking cars, every single one of my cars, I've taken them all to this back road and kind of give them a little test. And you know, you can push your car pretty good on these back roads, man. It just depends on how far or how fast you're willing to go. I've taken my Mustang here, my SS1LE. I came here weekly and did some hard cornering just for fun. And dude, like I said, it's like the best thing. You know, I've never been into the whole straight line drag racing type of guy, but I just love cornering cars, man. There's nothing better than some cornering. It starts right here, guys, and let's do it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh my goodness. Road construction ahead. That's not good. We're gonna do one faint run because it says road construction ahead. That's never seen. Oh, look at the beautiful water. Oh man, it is. Oh, there's no construction here. What are they talking about? We'll do it again. And you know what's crazy? I didn't even put it in track mode. Start it again. You guys, we're gonna start it one more time. We're gonna push it right after this corner right here. And let's do it. Oh my God, dude, this thing eats corners. Holy shit. Whoa. Holy shit. This thing is insane! Woo! Dude, holy shit! That thing's a fucking monster! Holy crap. Dude, this thing is insane. Holy shit. I mean, we could probably cut through here, maybe? Let's see. Wow. No backup camera, guys. Oh, hurry up. Whoa, dude, look at that. Look at this sight right here. Dude, look at this sight. It looks crazy. Oh my God. All right, let's hurry up and take some pictures. Dude, that is insane. Well, that is pretty much all for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, hit that little bell notification so you'll be notified and be a part of HP Society Racing. But like I said, we have a lot of mods coming for the Z28. I'm sorry that was a very short video. I just wanted to take it on these corners, just see how it is and push it a little bit. Like I said, this car is definitely going to be pushed a lot harder next season. Stay tuned. But until then, this car will be in the garage getting mods. Hopefully, if it does get nice, if there's a day where it's really nice outside, we will take it out for sure. So don't think that the car is going to be garaged all winter. Yeah, like Chicago, sometimes we'll have a winter day where it's like 60 degrees. We'll take it out for sure. But thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'm excited. Appreciate you. See you guys in the next one.